we just went over, they're called topes. I think we're saying it right. They're these speed bumps that are like 3 times as large as the US. And we went flying over one at 60 miles per hour.
That was insane. Didn't see a sign or anything. They blend in with the road. It's
Okay. Okay, this looks like the permit place.
It broke.
The lagoon table broke from that?
Yeah, turn the lights on, please. It's like a lot of things happens.
What else? Oh my God. Oh no. We lost our table.
Our table busted.
Our table is busted. We didn't even see a sign for it.
Yeah.
Shit. Okay, we've already made a few mistakes here. No pesos and broke the table. What's going on back here?
Look at this. Our lid cracked.
Oh shoot.
And our bed frame all popped out underneath there.
Oh no. Oh, babe.
We can buy these at Home Depot.
Yeah, the bed though, that didn't break though, right? Any of the framing?
No, but the framing just kind of fell out. We can just put it back in. But it's kind of a mess.
Mistakes were made.
Never do that again.
That one, that toe face came out of nowhere. Yeah. Oh well.
The main support beam
Yeah.
is falling down. We're gonna have to empty out the entire garage and reassemble the. Yeah.
Okay.
The metal bars like this right now in the middle. It popped off and it fell in.
Okay, well.
As we embarked on day 1 of our Mexican adventure, the surprises, both good and bad, continued. We're making our way to Lo de Marcos, but first we had to do something we probably should have done before we left the States.
What is up, everybody? We are picking up where we left off at our border crossing. We're making our way down to Lo de Marcos, and it's our first time. We're gonna get cash out of an ATM. I don't know why, but this feels eventful. That's why we're filming it. We may or may not keep this in the film, but anyways, let's go get those pesos.
Dineros. Nothing screaming out saying ATM anywhere.
No, but our first stop. I feel pretty confident.
Oh, right there, ATM.
Oh, sweet. Nice, babe.
We'll try to get some cash out of this ATM machine. So it's not taking my PIN number. I don't understand, but I'm just gonna try a different card. See what happens. No.
It won't take your card?
No. No accepts IUDA introduce. I have my translator on my phone. You can just type. You can just put the camera on
Okay,
there.
let's see what's going on. Okay. Let's try mine. But we didn't tell the bank we were going. I don't know if that
We
was.
should probably call them.
Okay, well, we'll take mine either.
Yeah, we should probably call the bank.
Yeah, we didn't call the bank. So far, the biggest issue we've had is just getting cash. And it sucks because we totally weren't able to get pesos from our bank because we didn't order them ahead of time. Should have done that. Next time, note to self. What the heck?
There you go. Well, what was that? Gas is expensive in Mexico. It's like California prices.
Yeah, how much did we just pay for a half tank?
About $60, maybe. Actually, I think it's more expensive than California, actually. We just tried to order in Spanish. That was hilarious. And I forgot to hit record. Dang it. Well, it's our first time eating out. I'm sure there'll be plenty more to catch the magic. Cheers.
Dos cervezas. Ooh.
This salsa is amazing.
Yeah,
Wow.
it's really good. I'm still in shock we're here.
It's crazy.
This is nuts. This has been insane. This drive down and everything, everybody. Like, it's...
I just can't wait to see the water on the beach.
Yeah. Ooh.
Then I'll be like...
We think we have a really cool spot for tonight, so
Yeah.
that'll be coming up in just a minute, but I think I found a sweet spot.
Cool. Well, we cleaned out the chips and salsa. Now we're getting ready to dig into this guacamole.
If we only had chips.
We only had some chips.
That's beautiful. Gracias.
¿Se les ofrece algo más?
No, we're, I don't know how to say it. We gotta figure out how to say everything's perfect. Muy bien. Oh my god. That's fresh corn tortillas.
That sauce is amazing.
Oh my goodness. Oh. We ordered, to the best of our ability,
Wow.
enchiladas. I'm probably not pronouncing this right. Enchiladas verduras. Verduras. Anyways, they totally got it right. It's all vegan and fresh masa tortillas. Oh my gosh.
Muy bien.
Muy bien. We should probably get to our parking space. We totally forgot. We were having such a relaxing time.
Yeah, we gotta go.
Eating and just enjoying ourselves and celebrating the fact that we finally made it down here.
Seems like
That we totally forgot. Our bed is kind of broken right now.
Yeah.
We need to get to our spot so we can fix it before sunset.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Wow. So, yeah, we went about 50 miles an hour over topes. It's like a massive speed bump in the road, and we launched, and our bed got destroyed. Our metal main support in the middle got dislodged, and it got bent, so we can't even put it back into where it's supposed to go. I gotta get some pliers or something to bend this back in.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Yeah, it got folded out. We gotta tuck it back in.
Bummer.
I didn't look on the other side yet, but I'm gonna pull this thing out and kind of re-bend it back into shape.
On a more positive note, while Brian's doing that, we didn't get to go to the boondocking spot we want, but we found this really cool RV park. It doesn't even seem like an RV park. We're the only ones here, and it's right on the beach. So tomorrow morning we're gonna wake up and we're
Full hookups, $20.
$20.
Family operated, super nice people.
Yeah,
That's great.
that's great. I'm gonna put a link for it down below.
We're like 50 feet from the water.
Oh, it's so nice.
Amazing.
So I don't even care. This is like such a minor inconvenience.
I don't know about you, but I'm ready to watch another episode of Inventing Anna tonight. Those 2 episodes last night were intense.
I could do some Netflix and chill.
We only got 2 more episodes. Let's just knock it out, eh?
Yeah.
I think that was it. Pretty easy. Cool. The bed is good as new. Nothing was wrong with it at all. Fixed a little thing there, and we're gonna put it back together. All good?
Now it's snuggle time.
Yeah. Hey, good morning. We are on the beach here in Mexico. Day 1. Drove about 8 hours yesterday. And yeah, we're here on the beach. It is beautiful. Let's go see what Crystal's doing. Hey, babe.
Hey.
How's it going?
Good. I just made a smoothie and was putting on my shoes
Oh, smoothie.
to come out and join you. It looks really
Smoothie,
windy out there.
smoothie.
It looks really windy out there.
Yeah, it's pretty windy.
It's so beautiful out here. I love it.
Let's come out and check it out.
Okay. Amazing. There's nobody here. This is so wild.
Yeah, there's nobody
Why
here.
would you not want to be here? It's chillier than I thought though. Like it's kind of cold.
It's a little chilly. It's kind of windy.
It was kind of sad that we're leaving so fast, but this is awesome.
Yeah.
I can't believe we're in Mexico.
I know. Pretty surreal that we're actually here. We made it.
We made it. We did it.
Yeah.
Our first goal was to get the van. Second was to go around the country. Third was to come to Mexico.
Yeah.
We did it.
Check.
Brian had to go back into the van real quick. He's having some gut issues that he's been having for the past few days, so we know it's not from Montezuma's revenge or anything. We've only had one meal here, but he's having some stuff, so I gave him some medicine. I'm just gonna take a little walk while he takes care of himself in there. Wow, this is just bananas to me that nobody's here. Look at this. There is the RV park like main office. It also has a restaurant as well. Cool little patio. This is a nice little stay. I would definitely come back here. Let's go check back on B real quick. And I think we need to head out to Mazatlan, I think is our stop tonight. Crazy, I haven't been to Mazatlan since I was a teenager. Where are you, B? How's your gut?
Oh, my gut's fine. My butt's not. So, there's that.
Oh, B, did you take that activator charcoal I gave you?
No, not yet.
Are you drinking that Mexican water?
Yeah, with our filter to be able to drink Mexican water.
Everybody wish him luck. You got this, B. I think we need to get a move on. Make sure Brian's butt is okay for the day. So we're gonna catch you all next week. Be sure to like this video if you have not already. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. And leave a comment if you have any questions. Check the description for all the links. We'll catch you all next week.